The language of advertisement. This is question number 8 of your question paper, which will be given for 5 marks. And there are 25 exercises in the textbook. I'm going to explain a few to you, and you get through all the advertisements and answer the questions that I'm going to give you at the end of the topic, at the end of the session. And please send those answers to me. Write them on a neat white paper and send them to me into WhatsApp. The language of advertisements, question number 8, 5 marks. What is advertisement? You all know about advertisements. And what is the use of any language? The use of any language is for communication. And here the language of advertisements is also for an effective communication. Language has a powerful influence over people and their behavior. This is especially true in the fields of marketing and advertising. The choice of language to convey specific messages with the intention of influencing people is vitally important. Advertising was initially meant to make people aware of the goods available in the market. It was as simple as announcing what you have in your store or the services you offer in your premises. Over the years, advertising has evolved into a major industry that goes beyond informing to persuading and influencing. The sole aim of the language of advertisement is to attract the customers towards a product or convince a customer to buy a product. To achieve effective communication, the language of advertisement should be brief and simple, unambiguous, rhetorical, persuasive, devoid of technical words. Advertisements can improve our reading skills, especially to scan for specific information. We also learn interesting phrases from advertisements. Now, let us check the following advertisements and see how far we can understand them to answer the questions that follow. You know the uses of advertisement. In order to make them buy some products or make us buy some products or make us apply for some jobs, like that they advertise their products on their notifications in newspapers likewise. So we are supposed to get through the advertisement in order to understand the topic given, understand the content given in the advertisement. And for examination purpose, we are supposed to answer the questions that follow after each and every advertisement. And you are given with 25 exercises in your textbook. And moreover, one more exercise in your model paper given at the end of your textbook, and you are supposed to answer, and you are supposed to get through all these 26 exercises in order to secure 5 marks in your examination. Advertisements form a considerable component of modern mass media. Understanding them properly is therefore of a great use, particularly for students. An effective approach to understand advertisements is to try to answer questions based on them. Studying carefully the given advertisement as well as the questions is the basic requirement. Keen observation of every part of the advertisement is very much necessary. Practice helps one acquire the needed expertise to answer all the questions correctly. See, study this table, study this advertisement, the first one. See, what is this advertisement about? Today on World Consumer Rights Day, I have resolved to exercise my consumer rights today, tomorrow and every day. World Consumer Rights Day, 15th March 2010. Actually, it is an advertisement advertised in the year 2010 on 15th March about World Consumer Rights Day. I will check MRP. And insist on bill pay for my purchase. To assess its quality properly, I will make sure to know what it contains. I will make sure that goods service provided to me is safe. I will choose only that which is right for me. I will ensure that my complaint, if any, is heard properly by its seller and manufacturer. I will seek assistance from the consumer forum. If my complaint is not properly redressed. Why don't you do the same? See, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Department of Consumer Affairs, Government of India, Krishi Bhavan, New Delhi, website www. Something is given, and the source of this advertisement is print advertisements, Department of Consumer Affairs.nic.in. See here, it is an advertisement, and here there is some printing problem, but you may not be given like this in your examination. They will give you a neat printed matter, neatly printed advertisement. You have to get through it. And I've already read the things aloud to you. You please answer these questions. When is World Consumer Rights Day observed? How should we locate the consumer forum in our area? Who has issued this advertisement? What are the timings to call the National Consumer Helpline? What is the only phrase which is written in a language other than English? See, other than Jago Grahak Jago. Jago Grahak Jago. This is the language other than English. See here, actually, in order to get through any advertisement and in order to answer the questions that follow an advertisement, you are supposed to understand the questions that are given over here. And see, you should be particular with WH questions. When, who, what, where, which, and how questions. How long, how far, like that. How old, how far, how long. How questions and WH questions. When, who, what, which, where, whom, like that. So if you first start to understand the question that follows, you can easily answer the questions. Before getting through the advertisement, first have a look at the questions that followed the advertisement. When, how, who, what. See, these are very simple. You can easily pick up the answer from the ad. Okay, it is not so difficult. Actually, it is very easy for you. But don't go blindly into the advertisement. First, just see the questions that follow the advertisement. When, how, who, what. See, very simple questions. And if you feel that it is a printing mistake and you are unable to answer, actually answers also given in the PDF at the end of the topic, at the end of this advertisement. And I have given you a 18 pages PDF and you get through it. See, let us get through another ad. The second one, see the second one. Study the advertisement and answer the questions that follow. E-Pass. What is E-Pass? Electronic payment and application system of scholarships. Electronic payment and application system of scholarships. See here, it is in Telangana successfully facilitated and disbursed 90+ lakh students application under 14 schemes in the last 4 academic years. Hassle-free application system for students with transparency and accountability in scholarship process. Eliminated manual visits for verification and avoided fictitious colleges and ghost students. Track the application status every stage. Extended to Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh, and Tripura. Online scholarships application for various scholarships offered to students pre-metric and post-metric by various state governments. See here, it is School Platinum Smart Governance Award 2017. Smart Governance Award 2017. In top 200 smart governance projects in India. See here, this one is CSA E-Governance Award 2015-16 appreciation under sustenance category. Source Telangana E-Pass CCG Government in. See here, this is CSI with Best E-Governance Award. This is CSA Nihilent. Some other thing is given. Nihilent Governance E-Governance Award 2010-11 Award of Excellence under G2C category. See the advertisement. And if you have any doubts, look into page number 209 of your textbook. See here again, what, which. And you can easily secure 2 marks apart from the normal questions or generalized questions. What is the advertisement about? Name one of the awards this program has been giving owing to its success rate. In this program, are your manual visits necessary? This program is extended to dash states. In which state is this already being implemented? See the third ad. See here. Study the advertisement and answer the questions that follow. We cover India the best. More than 30 crore policyholders, nationwide policy for all age groups. Promises delivered, claim settlement 99.6%. Wishes every Indian a happy Independence Day, and it is an advertisement by LIC. See the source: Insurance, Life and LIC, Independence Day, apaqs.com. See here, see the advertisement. Look into page number 210 of your textbooks. 210 of your textbooks. We cover India the best. Who is we in the above caption? Who has issued this advertisement? Write antonyms of the following words. Claim independence. On which occasion has the organization issued this advertisement? How many policyholders does this organization have nationwide? Which? Who? Which? How? Who? And antonyms. We in the caption. We cover India the best. Who is we in the above caption? The advertisers. See the fourth one here. Study the advertisement and answer the questions that follow. Surgical strike. 7 terror launch pads targeted by Special Forces of Indian Army. Heli-borne and ground forces used. Terror launch pads were in the range of 2 to 3 kilometers from LOC, but for under surveillance for about 1 week. Midnight to 4:30 p.m. Afghanistan, Taji, China, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Delhi, Rajasthan, Pakistan. See here, this is a source from graphics. 7 terror launched pads targeted. 29th. Heli-borne and ground forces used. Terror launch pads were in the range of 2 to 3 kilometers from LOC. Were under surveillance for over 1 week. Significant casualties in the terrorists and those who are trying to support them. Announcement of strikes by Indian Army was made soon after Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a meeting of Cabinet Committee on Security, CSS. And it is a source, Pakistan in surgical strikes or DeccanChronicle.com. See here, the advertisement here is very clear. And see the questions that followed. Name at least 3 countries that can be seen in this map. Which country has carried out the surgical strike? Where were the terror launch pads? How many terror launch pads were targeted? At what time did the surgical strike take place? What time, how many, where, which? It is very clear that you can answer 4 questions and read the other question thoroughly and answer the questions that follow. See the 4th one. It is about 4th one. It is very clear. See, look at the ad first. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Empowerment Guarantee Act. It is Mahatma Gandhi NREGA, Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. Source, jamshedpur.nic.in. See, the ad is very, very, very short, less informative ad, but it has immense meaning in it. See, here it is given as 100. See, you can understand this ad through getting through the by getting through the questions that followed. Who is the national leader that can be seen in this advertisement? See here, there are less vocabulary here, there are less words here. Actually, the verbal interpretation is very less, but it gives us immense meaning by looking at the ad itself. See here, who is the national leader that can be seen in the advertisement? Who has issued this advertisement? Write the antonym of rural, write the verb form of development, what is being guaranteed in the advertisement. See, who is the national leader? Who? Write the antonym, write the verb, what is being guaranteed? What, who, and who. Two are clear, and the other two are antonym form of role. You all know. Write the verb form of the word development. You all know. You try to answer it. See the sixth advertisement. Study the advertisement and answers the questions that follow. Swachh Hai Seva. Join hands with railways and cleanliness drive. It is Community Day, 22nd September 2018. Timing from 9 a.m. onwards. Indian Railways appeals to all people, NGOs, and charitable trusts to participate in this cleanliness drive. For your Shramadhan, please contact station director or station manager of the nearest railway station. See here, some more are given over here. Some letters are not visible. See here in your textbook also, they are not visible. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is the emblem, it seems. And it is advertised by Indian Railways, www.indianrailways.government.in. See here, see once again, it is also a non-verbal item. There is so much meaning in it. Actually, it is conducted by the Indian Railways. And here the Prime Minister is urging the common citizen to join hands with railways in cleanliness drive. And he is the national figure that is given here is the national leader Gandhi. And our Prime Minister, the photo of our Prime Minister is also given over here. See what is it? Let us create an environment of cleanliness in the entire nation with Swachhata Hai Seva drive. Narendra Modi. See, if you get through the page number 212, add number 6 into your textbooks, you can understand. It is easily visible over here. See here, see the questions. What is the advertisement about? Who has issued this advertisement? When was the cleanliness drive conducted? Community Day, 22nd September 2018. Be the change. When was the cleanliness drive conducted? Who are to be contacted for our Shramadhan? Write the noun of charitable. See here, what, who, when, who. And write the noun form of charitable. It is very clear to you. After getting through the ads, you please answer them and get through the answers given at the end of this PDF, at the end pages, in the end pages of this PDF. See here another ad. Study the advertisement and answer the questions that follow. Study.